Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going back to that package unit where the draft motor sounded like a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower, and I'm taking care of that, but I kind of created a problem for myself while I'm doing this, and I had to do some creative editing to keep myself from looking really stupid. Stay tuned. I hope you... Okay guys, we are back on this one to hopefully change a draft motor. This is the one we're talking about. I really hope I can get those off. In fact, just to try to help make that happen, let's kill power. Power's already killed. This is the motor. It must have showed up at Johnson Controls. I don't know when it showed up. Maybe they figured out they had it in stock, but they just delivered today. What in the world do we have here? Alright, this is my plug for that motor. Hopefully I can clean all that up with some zip ties in a minute. Hey!
I'm so glad to see this. Is this my newborn?
I hope so.
I hope so too. I've been cold all week. I'm not used to it, but I dealt with it all weekend.
Well, I'm gonna try to get you going. It's gonna be a tricky little job, but I hope I can get it going for you.
I think you can. This ain't your first rodeo, right?
No, I've been doing this a long time. I just have to battle with some rusty screws. That's all.
Oh, okay. Would you be so kind to show me how to turn it on when it's over with?
Sure, I'll do that.
Because they got this new stuff, and I'm like, really? So do I take the face off and then my daughter say, Mom, no, it's the new digital stuff.
I'll show you. Don't worry about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, it looks like, let me go get, these are kind of an odd size. I really don't want to rip the bolts loose. It's not budging. I think that one moved a little bit. Let me go get a nut driver and try to do this by hand. This thing is nice, but you can't hardly get anything. Man. Too big. real close. That's a half, and this is a 9/16. Nope. 7/16. There we go. That is not wanting to budge. I was worried about this when I ordered the motor. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get these out, but see if I can get this one. All right, this is one. As y'all can see, everything's nice and rusted. I don't just spray it to loosen it up. Sometimes this can wash away some of that excess rust that's on the threads. Oh, that one broke loose. Alright, that's two of them. Y'all forgive me, I gotta get off my knees. I'm afraid to go any stronger because I can twist a little bolt that's behind this. I can twist it in half, and I don't want to do that. So I got that one and that one. I just need to get these. And this right here kind of looks like a 5/16 I'll be able to finagle out. Damn it. I twisted it off. But maybe all isn't lost. I might have to do that on these. Oh, that one came out. So I only twisted one off. That's a success. All right. Look at this. It's missing blades. Well, half the blades are gone. They sent all kinds of stuff I don't really need because I'm just doing the motor. I think some of that is for back here. I'm going to show you something that I'm seeing right here. You're going to need a little bit of light. Y'all see the rust around this right here? That is the tube for my negative pressure switch right here. And I would call this a flue box cover. And I assure you, I would have just as much trouble getting that loose. But I'm going to quote him a new flue box cover because that's rusted. Come on. Let me go get another screw. I'll be right back. All right. hole. This little piece of exhaust pipe goes to this hole right here, so I'm trying to line it up and get it to fit in that hole. That's what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got one of those on. All right, there should be another one up there. Here we go. And there's the one I twisted off. Once again, I'm trying to be careful not to twist it off. All right, my plan for this right here is to sink a screw right there to hold it tight. Not ideal, but if I get approval for this, I don't know, that flue box cover is gonna be hard to get off. Come on, that's not sitting in there very well. All right, so it should be all I have to do is plug this up, clean all that up with some zip ties, and we should be good to go. I'm a little surprised I was able to find the exact motor. And when you're working on these things, you got to have either the exact motor or one that's designed just like it, looks just like it, same specs, everything. That's why there aren't many aftermarket motors for draft motors, because they have to be exact. PACKOUT does make some though, I've noticed. All right, let's go through the process of trying to turn this thing on again and see if we can't get it to fire up. That sounds much better. Now maybe we can hear if the gas valve clicks. gonna let that run a few more times like that and see if we can get a flame. The gas is turned on. How much trouble is it to pull those out? I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull them out and clean them. Damn. Y'all forgive me. There went my hot surface igniter. I was trying to keep from doing that. But I did it anyway, didn't I? That is frustrating. Those things are so fragile. Come on, is there a way to... Y'all forgive me, I'm looking. Oh my word. Good luck with that. There is a screw down here, but it is so rusted that ain't never coming out. All right, where'd my little... Quarter. there? There it is. I already know I'm not going to have a hot surface igniter for this in town. For one, it's a Grand Air product. Second, it's a Nordone. My Grand Air distributor, Baker Distributing here in town, almost never has the parts that I need. It's always next day. Always. They gotta order it. Come on, how do I get these burners out of here if I can't get this? Looks like that might just pull out. Trying to let y'all see what I'm battling with. Oh, there's a screw on this side too. There we go. They don't look that bad, but let's go take them and clean them up. All right, let me turn this down. You may not have seen it, but this has been cut and rigged multiple ways just to try to fit in there. My only hope for getting a hot surface igniter for it is United Refrigeration. If not them, I'm gonna have to order it. Y'all forgive me, I'm having trouble just getting out. There's a chicken place right here, and it's very popular. They have traffic backed up in the main road. I'm on my way to United Refrigeration to see if I can find something that will work. Here we go. All right, we finally have a 240 volt hot surface igniter. Come on, please line up. I'm not sure if I can use that or not. I'm trying to be careful not to touch it with my fingers. Alright, I could have plugged this in, but I made a rookie mistake when I got my first hot surface igniter. Oh my word. This could have been perfect. My first one, well, I'm going to make a short of it, so I'm not going to tell you the whole story, but it was not the right one. Okay, I got that hot surface igniter in there, not touching anything. I cleaned my flame. I cleaned my burners. Let's see if this thing will finally light up for this lady. Much better than the last one. You can see that? Well, it would help if I turn this back on. Try this one more time. We're going to keep trying. That does seem like it is right in the flow of where the gas would be. Do we dare cycle it? Do we dare let it shut off after all that work? I think I got to. We're going to cycle it off and try it one more time. All right, here we go. that, my friends, is what success looks like. I don't have any hair left, but we have success. I fixed it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness, so you gonna put some new stuff till I look?
I'm gonna put in a carbon monoxide detector.
Okay.
So if y'all gonna hear this noise right here, if y'all hear that, consider it like a smoke alarm. Call the fire department. Maybe open the doors and get out. Okay?
If I hear you,
If you hear this. All right, did you need help with that thermostat?
yes, I don't know. Let's look, daughter, because a little more educated. I'll take that in my daughter, so, but you still need to know. Oh my goodness, this was the coldest part of the house for about a week.
All right, so over here,
Okay.
this is where you set it from heat to cool to off, where it says mode right there.
Okay.
All right, it's on heat right now, so to adjust the temperature, see this number is changing up here?
Okay.
That's where you adjust the temperature, and this number is the temperature in the room, okay?
Okay.
So just up and down, and when you want to put it on cool, you swap it right here.
So don't never turn it off?
Just swap it from heat to cool. It'll turn itself off when it reaches temperature.
So it's on auto.
I do hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, how about like and subscribe? I enjoy going out and working. I enjoy doing my job. And if y'all like watching me do it, give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one.